Namaskar. So far we have done up to non-ideal solution. I think you are doing well. Today we will try to understand non-ideal solutions showing positive deviation and negative deviation through these two questions. So first question is, what role does the molecular interaction play in solution of alcohol and water? So as per the question, alcohol as well as water both have hydrogen bonding within the molecules. H2H2O molecule, alcohol molecules are associated through hydrogen bonding. Now when they are mixed, their molecular interactions becomes weak. That means according to the statement AB interactions, let us take it as A, this as B. AB interactions are weaker than AA and BB interactions. So what would happen if AB interactions are weaker? Say there are strong hydrogen bondings, but when they are mixed, some hydrogen bonding breaks, and that's why AB interactions are weaker than AA and BB interaction, and that's why their total pressure is more than the ideal pressure, because PA becomes greater than P naught A XA and PB also becomes greater than P naught B XB. Means it shows that it is a non-ideal solution. It forms a non-ideal solution showing positive deviation. So this is the case of non-ideal solution having positive deviation from ideal behavior, right? And because their boiling point, their vapor pressure increases, their boiling point decreases. Got it? Now let us answer second question. What type of deviation from ideal behavior is shown when chloroform is mixed with acetone? Chloroform is a polar molecule, so there is dipole-dipole interaction. Acetone is also polar molecule, again dipole-dipole interaction, but when they are mixed together, there is a formation of hydrogen bonding. So hydrogen bonding is stronger than dipole-dipole interactions. So in this case, AB interactions are stronger than AA and BB interaction. That's why they form non-ideal solutions having negative deviation from ideal behavior, because if interactions are stronger, their escaping tendency is less, so their vapor pressure decreases. Means in this case PA is less than P naught AXA, PB is less than P naught B XB. Their vapor pressure decreases, so their boiling point increases, right? One more thing, if we mix alcohol and water, and let us take 5 ml of alcohol and 5 ml of water. So tell me, their volume is more than 10 ml or less than 10 ml? As it shows positive deviation. their interactions are weaker. So that means bonding जो है that is weakened. As it is weakened, so volume is greater than 10 ml. Their volume is greater than 10 ml. Volume of mixture is greater than 10 ml. Keep in mind, if we have solutions showing positive deviation, their volume is greater than the total sum of the individual volumes. In this case, what would happen? If 5 ml of A and 5 ml of B is mixed, let us take it as A, this as B, then volume of the mixture is less than 10 ml because AB interactions are stronger, so they come closer to each other. Got it? So in this way we can explain one more thing. What about enthalpy of mixing, enthalpy of solution? In this case interactions are weaker, so heat is absorbed, that means dissolution is endothermic, so mixture is cooled down. In this case temperature decreases, temperature of the mixture decreases. But in this case, as interactions are stronger, dissolution is exothermic, so temperature is increased, means solution warms up. This solution warms up, this solution cool down. Okay, so this is the way to explain these two questions. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do like, subscribe and share my channel. God bless you all. Happy learning.